Hey TikTok peeps, I gotta show you this. Just came in. Just got this sample from Libraton Tools on the TikTok shop. And I'm really excited to show you. I've taken a look at it, but now I want to show you. This is a 1/4-inch drive magnetic set of nut drivers. You can use them in your impact like this. Super quick. Or if you don't have an impact, you can even use it in your drill. Get them in here. Now, as you can see, these are all clipped into space. They're all marked. This is a metric and standard set. They go from, on the metric side, on the short magnetics, they go from 6 to 14, and on the 6-inch extensions, and let me show you these. These are really handy. 6-inch extension, and they're marked. The size for each one is marked at the end of each one. Plus, it's marked in the case too. And the main thing I wanted to show you is how strong the magnets are here. Let me see. I believe this one was a 9/16. It is. Check it out. 9/16. See how? Think that magnet ain't strong? Super good. I mean, that will save you so much time when you're working on stuff. And then I'll even show you a metric. I believe the metric was 11. It is 11. Oh. Let me get that back in there. So, like if you're trying to start it and you can't put your hand on the other side, you can drop that bad boy right in there. Or if you're reaching down in and you get that on there, you know that when you unscrew it all the way, that this is not going to fall down and you're going to lose the nut. These are a must-have tool in just about anybody's toolbox, I think. I think it'll make a great Christmas gift, and I know you're thinking, oh my God, I'm not even thinking about Christmas time yet. But it's just around the corner. So make sure, if you want one, maybe you tell the wife. You give her, because your wives are always asking for ideas about, hey, what do you want for Christmas? Hey, what do you want for your birthday? Get yourself one of these magnetized nut driver sets. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. It comes in a real nice hard case, so you don't have these just like all in a tool drawer just scattered where you have to look at them. They're all labeled, easy to find. And this is the one little piece that not all nut driver sets have, but this does. This is a little 1/4-inch drive quick connect. Check this out. Tap that onto your 1/4-inch drive. Pick up one of these, pop it in place, and you're ready to go. You can do it with your 1/4-inch drive ratchet. I mean, how easy is that? Especially like if you're in a real tight space where you can't get an impact or a drill, put your little 1/4-inch drive on, and boom, you're ready to go. You could still use it. That one piece right there in this set makes it well worth what you're going to pay for one of these. These are on sale right now, $48 and some change, I believe. Free shipping. It's 31 pieces, metric and standard. Comes with a hard case, so you can take them on the job. You can keep them in your toolbox where they're nice and organized. You'll never be searching through the drawer trying to find the right size again. Make sure you pick yours up. They're on the TikTok shop. Go down, click that cart right now. Get two, one for yourself, one as a Christmas gift. Get ahead of the game. Don't waste your time on any other brands. These are very good quality, very good case. Pick them up there at the TikTok shop. Click that cart. Like I said, get two. And until the next time, stay safe and have a great day.